Oh, hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm back. So I'm about to go to my peep house. Yeah, they heard that I took my vaccine and stuff. So I'm about to go over here, and I guess they're gonna clap for me when I get over there. So let's see how they're gonna react to my COVID vaccine. Okay. Disregard the music in the background. I don't own the rights to this, y'all. Okay. All right. Yeah, I wonder if they're gonna clap for me. All right. Yeah, let's see who all over. Hey everybody. Hey everybody. Hey y'all, I'm here. I took my vaccine, y'all. I took my vaccine today. Hey everybody. All right. Yep. All right. Hello. I'll be right out, y'all. Disregard that music in the background, y'all. I'm about to go in there. All right. All right. Hey, Jalinda. I took my vaccine shot.
Oh, how bad it hurt?
Well, it wasn't that bad.
Didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm so proud of you, Brian.
Hey, everybody.
Well, we all know.
I took my vaccine shot today, y'all.
All right.
We'll celebrate that tomorrow, not today, baby.
All right. I know. Well, yeah. The folks say that they're gonna celebrate it another day, not today. All right. So here you go.
How many you get?
3.
3? You holding that, yeah?
Y'all love too. Here you go.
All right. That's my friend Candace. That's my little cousin Brian.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
All right.
On Dominoes.
Yeah. Yeah, y'all won't be on the show, huh?
She don't want to be on the show.
Oh, no. All right. I ain't gonna put you on the show then. All right. So all right then. I better stop this though. All right. Peace out.